yeah, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching. I've really liked where the channel's, where it started from, where it's gone. You know, all of you joining me along the way.
This is the end, beautiful friend.
Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. Bring Sally up and bring Sally down. Lift and squat, gotta tear the ground. Loose is dead and gone. Left me here to weep alone.
Good talk, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing. I'm coming to you on a slightly damp Sunday morning in the Texas Hill Country. Heading out on another dawn patrol session with my boy Dig Life. We're gonna go head up around Canyon Lake, head over to Wimberley, Texas, grab some barbecue in Blanco, Texas, and then head on back. Should be a fun ride. Not extremely thrilled about the wet conditions to start off with, but it should be sunny for the rest of the day, drying out. So besides dirtying up the old scoot, it should be good times. But like as a lot of you guys like to say, ride it, don't hide it. And I'll be damned, besides ice, anything keeping me from riding when I feel like it. Cold be damned, I'm riding. So this is take 2 on my new helmet and Mite motovlogging setup. The first round didn't go so good. I went out on a nice long ride with Dig Life and one of our other friends, Nasty Nate. And yeah, really nice ride. I got all the footage, but no sound. And come to find out that the Purple Panda, they have an adapter, one adapter that should be for your changing it from a 3.5 millimeter mic jack to a GoPro, right? Simple enough. They came with the kit, and I'm like, awesome. No, that's not how it works. So because of the whole like two line, 3 line thing on the mics, you have to use another one of their adapters to connect to that adapter to connect to the mic. So that's pretty lame. But got to test it out. Tested it at the house. So now we can finally see how the audio is with this mic as opposed to the dual stereo Sony one that I have. This one's got a dead cat on it. It's tucked away a little higher in my new helmet, closer to nose level. So we'll see how it goes. I mean, how many people, whenever you hear "Don't Fear the Reaper" by the Blue Oyster Cult, besides thinking of more cowbell, think of the opening of The Stand by Stephen King. Whenever I hear about it, like a pandemic or epidemic or any kind of like, the swine flu, whenever that stuff was going down, the first thing that popped in my head was freaking "Don't Fear the Reaper." And opening that thing where everybody's just like dead, they're kind of panning through the government installation, the military installation, everybody's all dead, croaked out.
All our times have come here, but now they're gone. Seasons don't fear the reaper, nor do the wind, the sun, or the rain. Be like they are. Come on, baby. Don't fear the reaper. Baby, take my hand.
Yeah. One day, people, one day. That's probably going to happen. The question's going to be, are you going to be prepared for it? Are you prepared for Armageddon? You better got yourself some supplies, some armament for the zombie apocalypse. You never know. I'm telling you, you never know. One more dish pod, one more laundry soap pod or bath salt snorted. Man, it's gonna happen. Zombies roaming the streets, or are we already there? If you ever looked panned as you're walking down the street and you see everybody zombied into their phones, have we already reached the zombie status? So I wanted to take this short time here to talk about something, public service announcement. No, I want to talk to you guys about something. I've had a lot of stuff going on here in the last couple weeks, actually the whole month. And, you know, I've been still popping out videos once a week, like I typically do. But, yeah, I had kind of a life-changing event just happened. And while I'm super excited and pumped, I'm also sad because of what I think it's going to entail. So the exciting news is I got a new job. It's a step up for me than what I'm currently doing. So I'm super pumped up about that. Should be good times with a good employer. But the negative is it's going to require a lot of work and a lot of dedicated time and attention, especially initially. So a lot of my video editing and a lot of the stuff I've been doing after work for YouTube, for the channel, is probably gonna have to get put on hold or greatly reduced, at least until I kind of see, you know, the level of work and kind of what's needed at this new place. So just letting you guys know that I'm definitely not going away, but you know, my video releases might be a little bit more sporadic. Might be once every two weeks. I still have the weekends, hopefully. Hopefully. Definitely going to be riding still, and whenever I'm riding, I'm going to be recording. So the only problem is my, you know, the editing, because the editing takes hours, at least for me. So either I need to figure out how to make whip out videos quicker in regards to the editing aspect, or I don't know. So yeah, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in and watching. I've really liked where the channel's, where it started from, where it's gone. You know, all of you joining me along the way. When I hit 200, you know, I kind of did a little shout out on Instagram in regards of subscribers. But I really, and I mean this from the bottom of my heart, I really greatly appreciate all you guys. Because, I mean, you take the time to watch my videos, to comment. I think you guys are all amazing. Great people. I mean, all the people that I've met through YouTube you're just all fantabulous. Fantabulous. Fantastical. So you guys all need to pat yourself on the back, because without you, there would be no IronCross Racing. So anyways, like I said, I'm definitely not hanging up my IronCross just yet, but I am gonna be cutting back a little bit on everything. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. This has been Bly with IronCross Racing. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you haven't already, go ahead and press that subscribe button. And don't forget to hit that bell notification as I release a new video at least maybe once a week, maybe twice a week, maybe twice a month. You'll have to wait and see. Anyways, I want to thank you guys again for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. And until next time, I'll talk to you later. Peace.